Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure your device and browser are up to date. This avoids surprises. Once done, sign into your Google account so preferences follow you. This is optional but useful. Now open your browser settings and find Default Search Engine or Search Settings. You will change this value to Google. Follow along step by step, because changing defaults varies slightly between browsers, and doing it now prevents redundant work later when you customize search features. You now select Google from the list or add it manually. Choose Manage Search Engines, click Add, then enter name, keyword, and https://www. Google.com/search. Q equals %s as the query URL. Once added, set it as default. On mobile, make the same change inside the browser app or under device search settings, and make sure search suggestions and safe search are configured the way you want. This ensures you finish by testing with 3 different queries to confirm results come from Google and suggestions appear. If you see redirects or another engine, inspect extensions and disable anything that changes search defaults. Malicious or utility extensions often cause this. Make sure your browser policy isn't locked by enterprise settings. If you still can't set Google, reset browser settings or reinstall after exporting bookmarks. One key troubleshooting tip: disable all extensions and try again. That quickly reveals the usual culprit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.